You need to hear this if you're a space nerd. What's the deal with sneezing in space? So picture this. You're floating in the International Space Station, minding your own business, when suddenly, achoo! In space, there's no gravity to pull those pesky sneeze particles down. Instead, they float around like tiny, wet astronauts. Without a helmet, those particles can drift into equipment, electronics, or worse, your crewmates. And let's be real, nobody likes a face full of sneeze, especially in zero gravity. So astronauts make sure to sneeze into their sleeves or tissues. Next time you sneeze, be grateful for gravity. And remember, in space, even the smallest sneeze can have big consequences.